In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up a new account in QuickBooks Online. This simple process will help you organize your finances accurately. So let's get started. First, open up your Chrome browser. Once you have that open, visit quickbooks.intuit.com and log in with your credentials. Make sure you have your login details handy because accessing QuickBooks is our first step toward managing your accounts effectively. Once you're logged in, attention should be directed to the gear icon, also known as the settings icon. You can find this icon conveniently located in the upper right corner of your screen. By clicking on this, you'll be opening the gateway to a suite of customization and management features that QuickBooks offers. Here, we'll be looking for the option labeled Chart of Accounts, which is nestled under the Your Company section. Selecting Chart of Accounts invites you to view and manage the various financial categories that your business operates under. Now, on to creating a new account or category. Direct your attention to the New button displayed in the upper right corner. This ability to add new categories lets you tailor your chart of accounts to fit the unique contours of your business's finances. Clicking New will prompt you to make some decisions regarding the type of account you wish to set up. Think about what kind of activity this account will capture. Is it an expense, income, or perhaps a bank account? Selecting the correct account type is key as it dictates how transactions will be reported in your financial statements. After selecting the general account type, you'll be prompted to choose a detail type. The detail type digs a little deeper into specificity, aiding in clearer and more concise financial reporting. Choose one that best aligns with your intent for this account category. Moving forward, you'll need to name your category. Choose a name that is both clear and descriptive, as this name will be how you identify your new account moving forward. Additionally, naming your category thoughtfully now can save you time and hassle later when you are searching through accounts. There's also an optional step where you can add a description to your account. While not mandatory, adding a description can be immensely helpful, especially if multiple team members are accessing and managing your QuickBooks accounts. The description can contain any significant details that will help clarify the intended use of this account category for future reference. Now you're almost done. A quick review to ensure everything is correct is always a good practice. After confirming all information, wrap it up by clicking on Save and Close. This finalizes your new account creation process and integrates it into your chart of accounts. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new category in QuickBooks Online, which will assist you in keeping your financial records organized and easily manageable. I hope you found this guide helpful, and thanks for watching.